Hi, my name is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Shane Positive. Right now, we have a question from a lovely girl. Okay, ang tawagin na lang natin siya, lovely girl. Sabi niya, gusto ko maging matagumpay sa buhay pero nahihirapan ako, naranasan sa aming pamilya. Hindi po ako graduate. 39 years old na ako at wala pa akong trabaho. So, pero dati po, ay meron ako pero ngayon nawalan ako. Gusto kong makatulog pero hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dahil overage na po ako. So, anong gagawin ko? Okay, lovely girl. So, very, very important na nararamdaman ko na medyo you're going through a time of depression. Medyo nahihirapan ka na sinasabi mo, feeling mo hopeless ka. Very important na huwag ka mawawalan ng pag-asa. Just like John Maxwell always saying, if you have hope in the future, there's power in the present. If you don't have hope in the future, there's no power in the present. So, very, very important yan. Mawalan na lahat. Huwag ka lang mawawalan ng pag-asa. Number 2 is what? Age. Age is never an issue. No? So, always, sabihin mo, matanda. 39 years old, matanda ka. Di ba? Tingnan mo ako, 29. Plus 20. Di pa tapos. Huwag kayo kukontra. So, hindi pwedeng sabihin natin edad eh. Like for example, let's cite people, no? People became successful. Like one guy passed his chicken recipe for over 200 times. Failed. Rejected. Until such time, there was one chicken restaurant that accepted his chicken recipe. Then came the birth of KFC. He became successful at the age of 65. Si Colonel Sanders. That's the reason why if you go to the his restaurant, makikita mo matanda na siya sa picture. Bakit? Kasi na, may edad na. Diba? So, please, age should not be a concern to you. Kung yan ang magiging ano mo, alam mo, simple lang eh. Diba? Miss Lovely, girl, kung gusto, gagawa ng ano, paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming ano, dahilan. So, you just gotta choose. You can make two things. You can take responsibility or you can make what? Excuses. And number 2, start with something that you can really do. Huwag ka munang maghanap, like for example, trabaho. Ay, parati, wala akong trabaho, walang trabaho. Alam mo problema? Pag sinabi na minimum ng sweldo, ayaw na magtrabaho. Gusto agad yung big time na income. No. Kung ikaw, wala kang trabaho, nasa depression ka, the key right now is for you to become productive. No? Kahit anong trabaho yan, basta pwede kang mag-work, babayaran ka ng minimum, go. Huwag kang mamili ng trabaho. Ang importante is gain confidence in what you're doing. Oh, naging productive na ako, may pera na pumapasok kahit maliit. And from there, kung medyo yung confidence level mo bumalik na, this is the time you start looking for other alternatives. At the same time, isang napakaganda talaga ng layunin mo na makatulong sa inyong pamilya. Pero very, very important ito. Tulungan mo muna ang sarili mo bago mo tulungan ang ibang tao. Simple lang ang buhay. You cannot help others if you cannot help yourself. So, Miss Lovely Girl, sana nakatulong po ako sa iyo, sa iyong problem and situation. But don't worry. No, don't worry. Basta maniwala ka, manampalataya ka sa Diyos, wala pong imposible. For further questions and concerns, please do write me at my website at chinkitan.com. And I always say in life, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.